Yo, check this out. It's about 9:30 a.m. Still dark as night. Just came out here, got my little trail. I have my own little private space in the forest where I like to come out and do my number one business. It's actually pretty warm as Alaska in the winter goes. I think it's like plus one, maybe even warmer. Still below what they technically call freezing, so it's well below 0 Celsius and still far below 32 Fahrenheit. All right. Here we got a new Toyotomi Laser 302 heater. These are pretty much very well the standard as far as oil heaters go here in Alaska. Most cabins around here either have an oil heater or they've got a wood-fired stove. We don't have any wood-fired stove. We've got these. We're just replacing this older one, which will be then our backup one. But this guy, it's all Wi-Fi enabled. This is like crazy high-tech stuff. Cabin life. Here we go. Unboxing our new Toyo heater. Look at that. Whee! You can use an app to control this thing, don't you know? All right, there you go. This is what I'm digging into right now. So we just had a nice, delicious dinner. What was that? We had like some dirty, or was it jambalaya? It was a jambalaya rice thing you do, and you grilled up some chicken on our cool stove right here. Rigged it all up.
Salad.
And we had this nice little salad kit. So we're eating pretty damn healthy and a lot cheaper by just buying the stuff at the store here in Alaska. It's so much cheaper to buy food and just prepare it right here in the cabin. And it's better food, right? Because first of all, you know exactly what it is that you're buying.
Fairbanks is not known for its cuisine.
No, it's not.
No.
I think there's a few places around here that definitely have some nice, pretty good food, but it's hella expensive. When you get the good, nice stuff, you're gonna pay the price stuff.
You're gonna pay the price stuff even if it is.
Yeah, that's
nice
true.
stuff.
Anything up here is friggin' expensive, man.
Yeah.
So anyways, Tiffany's got a whole system of cleaning up after cooking, because
Cooking and doing dishes in a dry cabin is a whole different beast.
it's like a whole chore that most of y'all who've never even done dry cabin probably can't even begin to wrap your head around.
Well, it's just like camping.
It's like camping, exactly.
Except for you can't go outside to do anything because it's 0 degrees.
It's cold as shit. Yeah, I go out there and
freeze
do everything
if
in
you
the
tried to
snow.
wash anything outside. So you just have to kind of adapt your whatever you do when you're camping to do it, but do it inside. We have a Primo water dispenser that puts out hot water. So I just wipe all the pans out and then put hot soapy water and I just soak everything in pans and then just one by one just clean it and rinse everything out. And we have this pump system here for the dry cabin. So I rinse the dishes off there.
Yep.
But you just have to kind of go slow and steady, like everything in Alaska.
Yeah. Don't try to do anything in a hurry here, especially in the winter. Forget it, dude. Because if you're trying to go somewhere fast and you're in a vehicle, you're liable to eat shit because the roads are icy no matter what kind of tires, no matter what you do. You have to just learn to drive on slippery roads.
Yeah.
Period.
And even though it seems like there aren't a lot of people, you'll just end up in line forever somewhere.
Somewhere. It's a weird place, you guys. It's freaking weird. And expensive. And not convenient. And not fast in any way. You really have to slow down everything here, or you just have to expect that nothing is going to be immediate. And nothing's going to be easy.
And you're never going to get what you want to get on the first try.
That's right. That too. All right.
But it's beautiful. it's worth it.
The payoff
when you
is
see the Northern Lights and stuff. You're like, okay, that's cool.
that's the
wait,
payoff,
wait.
isn't it, for all the other bullshit?
Yeah.
All right.